KDH Defense Systems has revolutionized the armor industry for law enforcement officers by integrating technology with comfort. Since the 1970s, armor carriers have evolved from ballistic panels being permanently contained within the carrier. KDH is transforming the way concealable armor is worn today. The patented KDH transformer harness system supports state-of-the-art ballistics, which makes safety, comfort, and flexibility recognized attributes and a distinct point of difference for our product. Let's start at the beginning. I will now present to you the KDH transformer armor system that will provide you safety today and well into the future. What makes a transformer armor system different? What you're currently used to on your everyday patrol is placing your panels inside of a carrier. Typically you or your agency has purchased either one carrier or possibly two. What makes the transformer system different is that the system does not use a carrier. It uses a harness system that attaches to the panels and then is surrounded by a sleeve, KDH transformer sleeve. With the purchase of the transformer, you receive 5 of these sleeves. So what does that do for you? It allows you the ability, depending on what you do throughout your patrol day, of changing the sleeve. For instance, a canine officer who may go on a 2-hour track. When he's done, he or she, and is back in their car, then they're sitting in a wet carrier for the rest of the day. With the transformer system, it allows you to take a sleeve and replace it with another one. And maybe it happens again, you can replace it again. The idea is that each officer has multiple sleeves for their transformer system. The core of the transformer system begins with the harness. The harness is made up of a ultralight ripstop nylon. Shoulder and waist straps are adjustable as removable. Plate harness comes with a rear 6x8 plate pocket, which will accept our 6x8 soft trauma plate, which comes with each purchase. Or a front plate pocket, which will accept and allow you to upgrade to the KDH Special Threat Speed Plate. Why wear the harness system alone? Let's say that your mission calls for it. You're under surveillance or narcotics, and you can't afford to have ballistic armor underneath your shirt. As the bad guy's walking back and forth, you need ultra concealable. That ultra concealable is here with the harness. It gives you some protection. It allows you to have either a soft or a hard plate in the front and the rear. Now your undercover mission is complete and it's time to hit the streets. It's time to take the transformer harness and attach it to ballistic panels. KDH ballistic panels for the transformer are set up with hook and loop that allows for the harness to attach both front and back. You have now scaled up or transformed this into a concealable panel. So where do I go from here? One of the 5 sleeves that you will receive with the purchase of the transformer unit is then placed over the harness and the ballistic system. You will see here that the sleeve covers over the harness and the ballistics. It is there for comfort and is there for moisture wicking. But all the work is done by the harness and the ballistic panels. Where do I go from here? Well, that's the beautiful thing about the transformer, and that's what I'm going to show you. The core or key component of the transformer armor system is the harness. We started with the harness in its undercover capacity, then we attached it to ballistic panels, and then we placed it in a concealable form. We're going to take that same harness, that same system, and now move it into an outer patrol, uniform, or tactical carrier. As you see, the core of this is the harness. The harness is still intact even in an outer carrier. You have your shoulder straps and your side straps that are attached to the harness and the panels that are within. So in a uniform or a permanent pocket with identifications on the rear, or in a light tactical that allows you for a pocket setup, ballistic plates front and back, or MOLLE 360 degrees. No matter what your mission is, starting from the harness or coming to an outer style carrier, the transformer allows you to do all of this with just one system. KDH is proud to present a system that rapidly converts to adapt to specific requirements with minimal effort for covert or special detailed enforcement operations. The transformer armor system a whole new way to wear armor. For more information on KDH products, call us today or visit our website.